Hey everyone, if you're serious about mobile content creation or just want to upgrade your smartphone audio, today's video is for you. I've got my hands on the brand new Rode VideoMIC Mi-C Plus, designed specifically for USB-C Android phones or iPhone. And in this video, we're going to do a full unboxing and a quick review to see if this is the mic you should add to your kit. So let's open it up. Now this is the updated version of the original Mi-C, and it promises pro-grade directional audio with plug-and-play simplicity. But is it really worth it? So let's find out. I'll cut open at the bottom here. And let's see what's inside. So here, straight away, we see there is a user manual. So there is a Rode user manual right here. Quick starter guide. We got the fairy windshield dead cat for outdoor use right here. And it's packed together like this. So I'm just going to see how you can open this one right here. So I suppose you just have to kind of pull it out like this. So now there is no USB-C cable, so I'm already coming off. And because this one plugged directly into the phone, so there is no USB cable at all. And let me just remove this shield. And this is the actual microphone inside the shield right here. This is mainly using for outdoor to prevent the wind, so we don't need it if we are using it indoor. And here it is nice and slim, compact and quite small. Feel very sturdy as well, very strong build. You can hear the click. Everything is kind of metallic, not plastic made. Very well built. Now the mic is very solid. It feels very solid, lightweight but premium. Now the mic uses a directional cardioid pickup pattern, meaning it focuses on the sound right in front of it and reduces background noise from the sides and the rear. That makes it perfect for talking to the camera or recording interviews. If you're outdoor, it includes a windshield, dramatically reduces wind noise, great for travel vlogs and street interviews. Now it works with USB-C Android device, so basically you plug it directly into the device like this. And it doesn't require any app. It doesn't need a battery. There's no battery, no app are needed for this microphone. So here, we don't even need to set up anything. Just plug and play, basically. We can test it out. So I'll open up my camera. Let's turn it to the back. And then I'll go to video. Testing using my Rode microphone. Testing with a new Rode microphone, VideoMIC Mi-C Plus. Here, I will remove it and I'll play it back. Testing using my Rode microphone. Testing with a new Rode microphone, VideoMIC Mi-C Plus. And here I will record it without the microphone. Testing, this is a test without the Rode microphone. Testing without the Rode microphone. Here is the video without the microphone. A test without the Rode microphone. Testing without the Rode microphone. Testing using my Rode microphone. Testing with a new Rode. Testing, this is a test without the Rode microphone. And that's it. So basically just plug and play, and sound, I personally feel the sound is much better, a bit louder than the actual microphone coming from my Galaxy S25 right here. So just plug and play. At the back here, you will also notice there is a 3.5mm headphone jack at the back here. This lets you monitor your audio live, which is super helpful for mobile creators. Overall, I think this is an excellent upgrade. If you are recording with your phone, it has a clean audio, easy setup, and great portability. It really punches above its size. If you're tired of tiny microphone sound and want something that works straight out of the box, this is a solid option for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.